Welcome to another tutorial video. Today's tutorial is on behind the 8-ball, right there. And now I will show a slow motion. Quick recap on index rollovers. That was a whip rollover and your index finger is pointing up. Last tutorial is Helix, your index finger is pointing down. So we're taking the last tutorial, Helix, and we're going to use that to help get a better understanding for behind the 8-ball, because they are another similar trick, except the Helix, when you do the index rollover, you're inserting it in between the handles, and then for behind the 8-ball, you're inserting it in between the spine of the blade and the safe handle that you are holding. And the other difference is that the Helix goes thumb rollover, index rollover, thumb rollover. Now you end up in the same position, just like the Helix for behind the 8-ball, because the only difference is that it's index rollover, thumb rollover, thumb rollover, ending up with the same white handle, swinging the safe handle closed to get into a standing position. So behind the 8-ball, to start off, you're holding the safe handle, you're going to swing it open. You're going to insert your index finger in between the spine of the blade and the safe handle that you're holding. And then when you're doing that, you're aiming to get like a half rotation. So open, insert, half rotation, and then you can see you're still holding the safe handle. And then the rest of that rotation is going to be getting carried onto your thumb. So open, insert, get your half rotation in. You can see you're still keeping it horizontal. And then with that loop, you're going to point your wrist upwards, making your thumb carry the rest of the rotation flow into your first thumb rollover. Catching the safe handle again. And then as you can see, you got the same loop, and the safe handle is going to be pointing towards you. You're going to carry the same momentum again. Another thumb rollover, right? Swing it around, catching the bite handle, ending up in your standard position. So, another breakdown here. Open, insert your index finger in between the spine of the blade and the safe handle. Half rotation, you got your loop. Carry that rotation into your first thumb rollover. Carry that into another thumb rollover, ending up with the bite handle and swinging it open. Bring it all together. Look like that. And that is behind the 8-ball. Add it to your Helix if you know how to do the handle switch. My common go-to behind the 8-ball, the cherry picker. It is the first trick you do when you do the Valorant, and then you add whip rollover with a shortstop. Whip, rollover, handle switch, and then you could add in some fans. Here's reverse behind the 8-ball.